Hello there, I'm Professor DAG. You enjoy the Christmas time that is. Well, you enjoy to sing Christmas songs in year time. There are a few songs that I cannot sing because I will go to jail. Come, enjoy, come, as we sing our favorite songs, such as We wish you a Merry Christmas, Christmas and a Happy New Year. Silent night, holy night. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Dashing through the snow. On the 7th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 7 ducks a-ducking. Do you hear what I hear? The Christmas tree with the lights, when they twinkle and twinkle, they shine into your eyes. Yes. Remind me of times spent in the wilderness, in underneath the sky. See the starlight shining through the tree line. The Christmas tree has a long withstanding tradition of being cut down in the forest and dragged to some house that one may live in. When the Christmas tree is finished, we put the presents underneath. When you are finished with the Christmas tree is finished with you. Christmas time is available at most of your retail stores. Santa Claus is coming to your town. Have you been naughty or have you been nice? Oh, Mama. Do you have any chestnuts roasting over your open fire? The chestnut grows complacent in the fireplace. The chestnut is hot. I would like some deviled eggs and some eggnog, please. Listen, I've been going off for days, talking. Mama, where is that eggnog? Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Yes.